I got my solder iron and the power outlet's not working. It's not working no more. So I think maybe the fuse turned bad or fuse burned something. So I would like to share the video with you guys how to fix it. It's so easy. We got one few box over here, or open it up. We got one extra few box. It's located over here. Yeah, it's gonna be right there. So we're gonna test it. So we already opened. So we don't even know where they located. So we can look at it on the panel over here. Yes. Yeah. Sit down right there, okay? Alright, thank you. We're gonna see over here what we got. We got 15A. It's a lighter. And this one is power outlet. I think it could be this one. So we're gonna test it. An ACC relay and blah 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 wiper and radio on star and sunroof. It's gonna be close to the 38. And we're gonna go to 30 right here. And I already got my tester, so we're gonna test it. Maybe 15A. So it close to could be that one. So we're gonna test it each. Let's see. Lights up. One lights up. One over here is not lights up. So I think maybe the fuse is burned or bad. Something. We're gonna try this one. This one's good. This one's good. And we're gonna jump it over right here. It's good. It's good. So could be that one. So we're gonna remove it. So pull that out. I'm gonna see what happened. Okay. I'm gonna look at the shape. It's supposed to be A shape, but this one is got brown on the top. See that? So I want you guys to see very clear. See it's brown on the top already. So we have to replace the mirror. See if you compare it to a good one, I already got it from. See, shapes like an A. So it's supposed to be like that. So we're gonna plug in this one. So right there. So I'm gonna get my cooler. So a little bit easier. Just do it by yourself because it's just easy. So you don't have to spend not a lot of money, and you just go to Advance Auto or AutoZone and you can get it for a few dollars. Okay? So alright, go inside, we're gonna test it again, make sure they're all good. And yeah, lights up. Yes, lights up. And we're gonna test our power. Out here. Lights up. So that means it's good. See light. So all good. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Put up. Say thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. No, this way. Yeah, thumbs up. Say hi, Uda. Say hi, hi. She's so cute. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys like it, make sure to leave a comment down below. Thank you.
Sinya bakal kagin ni. Sinya ni buat udah dulu deh. Dah pada sinya di depan ni buat komen apa mari kita pilih apa mahar apa pilih apa. Thank you very much for watching my videos. If you guys like it, make sure to subscribe my channel and share. Give me thumbs up. Thank you very much. Thank you guys.